So this is a time when we should be reflecting over that and looking into ways of earning the closeness of Allah. This is the month of Ramadan. It is also known as the month of the Quran, primarily because Allah mentions the term Shahru Ramadan in the Quran, and with it He says it's the month of, He didn't say fasting in that particular verse. He said it's the month within which the Quran was revealed. And obviously fasting is included in the injunctions of the Quran. But primarily, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. We've heard that verse so many times. Allah says شهر Ramadan once in the Quran. That's in Surah Al-Baqarah. And with it He says, it's the month within which I have revealed the Quran. My brothers, my sisters, give great importance to the Quran in this month. Read it. Make sure that you practice upon it. Make sure you try to understand it. Make sure you improve your connection with it. Make sure you have it close to you. Don't let a day pass without you having picked up the Quran.